Hi everyone, it's me, Bea. Brina couldn't make it today, but I'm here to bring you a tutorial on this eye look. So if you want to find out how I did this to these, then stay tuned. Primer, I'm just gonna slap some of that on my lids. I have a Morphe M535, which is fluffy and floofy and just good for kind of just laying down color. So I'm just gonna pick, what am I gonna pick? I'm gonna pick this neutral shade right here. Just gonna go in, tap off the excess. Just for the record, I don't know what I'm doing. This is me, pretending and doing what works on my eyes. I'm by no means an expert. I'm definitely not an artist. So I just do what I like and what I think looks good. So I'm going to go into something a little bit deeper. So I'm going to come down into this little corner guy down here, and I'm going to do the same brush, and I'm just going to do the same thing and just a little bit lower. I'm going to go into a deeper shade, so I'm moving to my Morphe R39 from the Rose Gold collection. This is still bristly and floofy, but it's not like as round. It's a little bit flattened and it's a little bit denser. So when I'm trying to concentrate and keep stuff a little bit more in my crease and not like spread stuff out and make stuff go all like as wide, and I kind of want to get more in a tighter line and kind of concentrate color more in a certain area and keep it more confined to a particular space, I will move on to this. Over here to our 35P, and this has a lot of good, it still has a lot of good like browns and neutrals and stuff, but they just have more of a plum tone and color, so it's a really good, it transitions us more into those purples. So I'm going to right smack dab here in the center of our palette, we have a really good plummy brown color, and I'm going to go, I'm only, as you can see, so I picked it up, got off the extra, but the color is only on one side of the brush, so it's only on one side of the bristles, and so I have that pointing down, so I'm not going towards the top of the crease. I'm only putting that down, pointing down towards my lid and putting it down on the outer corner of my lid and kind of bringing it in a tiny bit, maybe that outer third. Ow, desk, don't attack my elbow like that, it's so rude. Just trying to sit here, make a video, jeez. And that gave us a lot of depth of color, as you can see. Triangle. There's always that saying about how eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Like, does that apply to your eyeshadow? Because I feel like mine does all the time. I can never get like my blending to match perfectly. And I'm like, how far over did I go on my other eye? Is this how it was? Did that color match up right there? So you just got to do it looks good. Your eyes aren't going to be perfectly level. They're not going to be the same exact shape. Color's not going to lay down exactly the same. So I'm going to go one more deeper shade, and I'm going to go down to this. I don't know that it's deeper, it's just more straight purple than that brown. And again, I'm going to go same brush, same one side, and just kind of really focus just in that little outer V here and not really bring it in to my lid at all. Just stick right on the corner and just add like kind of a little bit of dimension to my eye. Just some depth, a little bit of pop, because we always want. There we go. And again, swapping out, and just, since I added barely any, I'm just doing barely any like that. And let's see, let me pick this up, see how I'm doing here. And I always do this because I'm a human disaster. I always have fallout. For some reason, it's only on my left eye, and I don't know why that is, because my right eye is fine. It's all clean. We're looking good. And my left eye is sloppy and just drops her shit everywhere. And so I have some fallout going on. And what I could do is, and I'm going really gently because I don't want to take off all the concealer that I just put under there. What I could do is smoke out my lower lash line and call it on purpose. Be like, oh yeah, I totally meant to bring that color down there and blend everything and really tie this look together. So yes, that color was supposed to be down under my eye, and it definitely wasn't me being a disaster and getting my makeup everywhere, and nobody would know. But again, I just always have Q-tips on hand to correct my mistakes because there are many. I'm actually going to go into my BH Cosmetics Supernova palette because these are all gorgeous. I'm going to take Aries. I'm an Aries. It's a really, really pretty deep purple, And these are really soft and gorgeous and creamy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it on my finger and just put that right onto the lid. Oh, it's so pretty and shimmery and nice. This almost feels like a cream. Like they're so soft and smooth, and like the metallics are so good. This might be a teensy bit dark for what I'm looking for, so let me wipe off my finger. And I'm going to go into Neutron, which is right next to it, which is more pinky. I'm gonna go just kind of dab it on top. And then right here in the corner we have Aurora, which is a really soft pink. And, ooh, that's a lot. And I'm gonna go right in the center to just bring a little beam of brightness and really kind of open up what I got going on here. Ooh, guys. Oh my god. I'm loving that. So I'm gonna take a tiny bit of that Aurora back on my finger and just go, oops, right under my brow bone and blend it so I don't look like a crazy person, because wow. And okay, so what I like to do on the inner corner of my eye is these Maybelline Lasting Drama Light Liners. This guy, what color is this? Starlight Gold. This is so pretty. It's really creamy and it lasts a long time, and it goes really easily in that inner corner. And I can just like go like this and just color it on without having to worry about. I'll find a lot of times when I'm trying to put powder in my inner corner, I'll get like weird colored teary goop in there because my eyes are sensitive and stuff. And so this is a really precise, good, cream, bright, blinding color that I can put exactly where I need it without worrying about getting any fallout in my eye. There, I like it. And now onto liner. So the liner that I've been using for years, and listen, I'm the klutziest person I know. And I can't do liquid liners. I've tried. I should try. I should probably try again. I have a YouTube channel now. I'll try at some point for you guys to do like a dramatic cat eye with a liquid liner. It'll be funny. It's going to be a really big disaster. It'll be a giant mess. Eyeliner all over my face. It'll be fun. We'll explore that together at some point. And pencil liners just weren't as clean and crisp and sharp and defined as I really wanted, as I was looking for in a liner. So what I have been using for years now, like several years, is Maybelline New York Eye Studio, their gel liner that comes in a pot. It does come with its own brush, which is this little just like flat rounded liner brush, which honestly works fine. I can get a decent line out of this, no problem. What I use is a MAC, it's all worn off, is a MAC 266. So start at my center and make sure my brush angle is facing the correct direction. That might be important. Tug on my eye like you're not supposed to do. Bring it right against my lashes and go and let the brush flick just a smidge past my lash line. And you can see I already have a little tiny bit of definition on my eyes. And if this is all that you're looking for, just a little bit of definition on your lashes, hey, you can be done with your eyeliner. Look, you can do one step. I like my whole upper lid lined. And so from here, I can go here and then pull it in. And so now, starting from the same point, so starting from the middle and going out, and then starting from the middle and going in, I have my same starting point, but it's a central point. So I'm not trying to do everything all at once and going around a curved surface, but I'm going in shorter bursts, and everything is a lot more even. And I have a good, nice, sharp line. I don't know. How can you guys see? What's your best angle? I'm still new at this game, everybody. I'm sorry. And so this is like my basic everyday liner. I'm not going out, I'm not doing anything crazy. This is like how I wear it to work. Like no matter what my eye look is, no matter what my shadow is doing, no matter what I got going on top, whether I have one color going, whether I have 6 colors blended in all together, I have a basic black liner on my upper lid because I just really like how it accentuates the shape of my eyes. I really like the shape of my eyes, and I just really like having the little black going on right on top there, and so that's how I do that. Now to open up, I like doing a nude on my bottom lash waterline. If you do like to do a black or a different color on your waterline on the bottom, this Maybelline Eye Studio, you can put it on your waterline and it will stay put. It's fantastic. So it is waterproof, it stays put all day long. It doesn't crease or transfer or do any of that jazz. So I have done this like for more dramatic looks and just used my brush and swept it across my bottom waterline, and it will stay put. So if that is a look that you're going for, that's your jam. So I will do this, and again, more tugging on my eye. I'm sorry, all of you people who are actually good at makeup cringing at me right now. Just doing a little bit of this nude liner here. And what is this? This is Rimmel Scandalized Waterproof Kohl in Nude. So I switch it up with my mascara. I go back and forth. Right now, the one that I've been reaching for constantly is Maybelline, the Falsies Volume Express Flared. That's a name. But it's just this big fat purple thing, and it has the little, do they look like wings? I don't know what's up here. But I find that this, it has like, look at, see, that's like flexible. That's flexible, and it has this really like big fat bristle brush, and it goes on. It does what it says, and it gives me really flared lashes, and they're big and long and floofy, and that's basically what I'm looking for. I don't wear false lashes. I work in a boring office, so I have to, like, you know, look reasonable. I actually kind of glam it up more than the average employee at my work anyways. So, you know, coming in level 10 with falsies and everything else would be a little bit like more drastic even than I already am. So you can see like this side has the mascara and this side has no mascara, obviously, but you can see there's a lot more volume and length and just like oomph, there, a lot of definition going on. So I really do like this mascara a lot. So this would be a during the day look for me. Maybe I do like to go a little bit more dramatic with my shimmers and everything. It's a little smoky. If we wanted to bump it up a little bit, we could bring, hey, please. We could bring some of that color into our lower lash line. So I'm going to go in and just kind of smoke. I'm going to keep it really close to my lower lashes. And this is just a teensy bit for me, just to really tie that look together, just so that we have something going on down there. And so that's what we have. I hope you like the video. Click, let's see, like, subscribe, like down below, wherever it is, happens to be down there. If you like this video, let us know if there's anything else that you would like to see. Give us comments, anything that you want to see from us, either me or Brina. She couldn't be here today because life is busy. But I know that she is planning on doing some of her own videos solo as well. We will try and go back and forth, do some together, do some each on our own, kind of have that going on so that we all have some stuff that we can do, keep some variety for you guys, so that we're providing content that, you know, a lot of people can be interested in and keep you guys coming back, keep you guys entertained and engaged. So let us know if there's anything that you would like to see from us, and we hope to see you back. Bye. Anybody else like have all these baby hairs? Like they never ever grow in. They're always just there. I feel like I'm walking around looking like a chicken.